Welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're learning how to play the chorus of the hit song from Frozen, Let It Go. Let's come to the piano to get started. All right, for Let It Go, we're going to place our right hand, finger 1 on G, and so we'll be in this G major pentascale. And the chorus starts on A with finger 2. So what I'd like you to do on your piano, go ahead and put your hand here and we'll take turns. I'll play a little bit, then you play it back. The first phrase, and I'll sing the letter names rather than the lyrics just to kind of help out. So we start off with A, B, C. These first 3 notes of Let It Go, yes, are A, B, C, first 3 letters of the alphabet. Now you try that on your own, starting with finger 2. Good, now let's try it with the lyrics. Let it go. Now your turn. Good. The next 3 notes are G, G, D, or in finger numbers that would be 1, 1, 5. Now your turn. Good. Now let's try it with lyrics. Let it go. Your turn. Now let's try to put those 2 phrases together. So we had let it go, let it go. Now you try. Good. Next, we're going to start on finger 4 and then skip down to finger 2 like this. Don't. Excuse me, Mr. Hoffman. Yes, princess? I believe the correct word here is can't. Oh, yes, I believe you're right, but I actually prefer to say don't. Do you mind if I just use don't instead? Well, it's not correct, but I suppose if you really want to. Thanks, princess. Sure thing. Bye. It's 1 word, but actually 2 notes. Don't. Finger 4 to finger 2. Now you try. Good. Then we're going to repeat on A with finger 2, hold it back, and then we step up for anymore. See how I went stepping up right there. So putting that all together, we have don't hold it back anymore. Now you try. Good. Now listen to everything this far. We're going to start on A for let it go. That steps up. Then we come down to finger 1, let it go. And it skips all the way up to finger 5. Then we have don't hold it back anymore. Good. Now before we go on, I'd like you to press pause and just practice that far 5 times or until you're really confident, and then press play to learn the next part. All right, you're ready for more Let It Go. So the next phrase actually starts off the same way that we started off before. We have another let it go, just stepping up A, B, C. So you try that. Good, now here things get a little bit tricky. Now we're going to have let it go. Okay, it's starting to get more exciting here. So we start off on a G with finger 1, and then we need an E, which is outside of our finger position. So we're going to shift our fingers up 1 note. So we have let it go. So we'll play 1, 5, 5, 4, and the notes are G, E, E, D. Now you try that. Good, so putting those 2 let it goes together, we have let it go, let it go. Now you try. Good. Now when we get to that point, and we've gone that far that we just played let it go, now we're going to shift all of our fingers up here to the C pentascale. So now finger 1 is on C for turn away and slam the door. And on turn away, we step up 3 notes. Turn away. So try that. Put your hand up here in the C position and play turn away. Your turn. Good. And then after that, we repeat E and then slam the door. We're going to step up to F and then step right back down to C like this. Slam the. Watch that again. We start on finger 4 and just step down. Slam the. And then for door, we just go door, D, C. So watch it all together. Slam the door. Now you try. Good. Now let's put it all together for turn away and slam the door. Turn away and slam the door. Now you try. Good. Let's go back and put all of these parts together. So watch me once. I'm back in the G major pentascale. So starting with finger 2 on A, we had let it go. Let it go. Shift to C position. Turn away and slam the door. Now you try. Press pause and put all of those pieces together. Then press play when you're ready to go on. Remember that we ended that section in the C major pentascale, and we're going to stay there for this next part, where Elsa sings, I don't care. And for this, we go all the way up to G, skip down to E, then step down to D. And that makes I don't care. I don't care. Now you try. Good. Now, the next two notes are what, there, 2 repeated notes on C, and then it goes back to G, going to, skip down to E, then say, skips all the way down to C this time. So we have 2 skips down, going to say. So watch that whole phrase. We start on C, what they're going to say. Now you try. Good. Now let's connect that with I don't care. So remember, we start off on G here. My turn. I don't care what they're going to say. Now, press pause and try that on your own 3 times. Then press play when you're ready to learn the end of the chorus. All right, so we just finished in this position. Now, for Let the Storm Rage On, we're going to shift back to the G position. And then we begin on finger 4. Let the storm, so let the repeats on C, then steps down to B. Let the storm, then it skips down to G. Rage on. Watch that one more time. Let the storm rage on. Now your turn. Good. Now, for the last part, the cold never bothered me anyway, we come down to C position. I'm here in middle C position. And again, we start on finger 4. The cold never bothered me anyway. So basically, the whole time you're going back and forth between F and E with a lot of repeats on F as throughout. Watch it one more time. The cold never bothered me anyway. And then you end on a skip down from E down to C. I recommend you just kind of figure this out by ear. Kind of listen to when it sounds like the voice goes down, and that's when you go down to the E. Listen to it one more time. The cold never, it's on never that it steps down. The cold never, and then on bothered, it also goes bothered. So it's never and bothered when you step down to E. All the other times you're playing an F. The cold never bothered me anyway. Well, I guess also at the end there, anyway, you also come down to E and then skip down to C. Okay, watch it one more time. The cold never bothered me anyway. Now you try. All right, now you have all the pieces to the chorus. It's just time to practice. and put all of that together. Right now, I'll show you what it's going to sound like all the way through. If you've already been practicing on your own, you can try playing along with me. Remember, you can pause and practice as much as you need on your own, and you can rewind, try as many times as you need. So if you're ready to try it with me, we're going to place our hand in the G major pentascale. Remember, your first note is finger 2 on A. I'm going to add in some chords in the left hand to make it sound extra cool. But for now, you can just worry about the right hand. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to do the chords. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and then you'll start. Okay, this is it for real now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Let it go. Don't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Nice work learning how to play the chorus of Let It Go. In my next lesson on Let It Go, I'll show you how to add the chords in the left hand if you're ready for a big challenge. But playing just the melody is fun too. All right, all you Elsa fans out there, I hope you have lots of fun playing Let It Go. Stay warm and see you next time. Hey, Princess, where are you going? Oh, I'm off to a birthday party. Really? Whose party? Queen Elsa. You mean the Queen Elsa? The one from Frozen? The very one. Wow. Well, just a word of advice. You might not want to give her that balloon. Really? Why? Well, because she'll just let it go. Oh, Scuba. Let it go. Let it go.